guys, welcome to my channel. If you are tuning in first today, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching today's episode of the Beauty Gang. So today I'm going on vacation with my husband. I'm traveling to Mombasa. So let me just go have my shower. I just woke up and arrange a little of my things that I didn't finish yesterday night. So let me go have my shower and get ready. I'll get back to you guys. I love you guys. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. I love you so much, guys. Enjoy the trip with me. Let me tell you guys a little story about this video. You can see the mad transition that just went through. My previous video was saying I'm packing up, I'm traveling, then this is at night. So a mistake was made on our ticket from the woman my husband booked the ticket from. She doesn't understand English. So apparently this lady booked us for 10 p.m. instead of 10 a.m. My husband paid for. My husband is so mad about this. So we have to come here in the morning, then we are back again at night to take our actual ticket she booked for us. The joke is on us because I don't know what made us not to check or what made him not even check the tickets. Today drained us. But it's all good, darling. So enjoy the rest of the video. We gotten on our coach already, so I'll be sleeping the whole trip. So we got to Mombasa very early in the morning. That was like 5 o'clock. I'll put a video pictures when I was in the station here. Then we stayed in Mombasa for a day because I wanted to meet up with some friends back in Nigeria that stays in Mombasa here before going to Diani tomorrow. So this is our tradition. We must always get a drink before we travel. Planning a trip, we'll get a drink ahead because I don't want in a situation whereby we get to the particular location they are saying they don't do alcohol. We don't do alcohol either. We just all have to have a glass of wine to cheers to. Thank you, beautiful people, my beauty gang. I love you guys so much. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and please come back for part 2 of this particular video. I love you guys. Bye.